Solution 1. Check the Wi-Fi settings. One of the most common reasons why Spotify doesn't work on Wi-Fi is an incorrect setting within the app itself. Luckily, this is an easy issue to resolve by checking and adjusting the Wi-Fi settings in the Spotify app. Doing so ensures that the app is allowed to connect to your Wi-Fi network and stream music seamlessly. Follow these simple steps to verify and modify the Wi-Fi settings on your Android device. Go to your device's settings. Tap on Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on the Spotify app. Go to Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Locate the Wi-Fi disabled option and toggle it off if it's turned on. This will probably be the actual solution to this problem, as users of the Spotify forum suggest that managing the Wi-Fi settings resolves Spotify's connectivity issues. Solution 2. Force stop Spotify. Sometimes, apps can experience minor glitches or temporary issues that can be resolved by restarting them. This is a basic yet effective troubleshooting step that's worth trying before moving on to more advanced solutions. In this section, we'll guide you through the process of force stopping and reopening the Spotify app on your Android device to see if it can reconnect to the internet. Long press on the Spotify app icon. Tap the icon from the menu that appears. On the app info page, tap the Force Stop option.